Hi, today we're going to talk about a very special shape called an ellipse. An ellipse is basically a very wide oval shape. Knowing how to draw this shape or practicing drawing this shape will really help you draw everyday objects, just like how you drew your fishbowl. So when you see everyday objects, I just grabbed a bunch of stuff from my kitchen, something like this. When you're going to draw something like this, you need to draw the ellipse shape at the top. You're not just going to draw it head on. You're going to draw it with this ellipse shape there. Let me show you some other things. Here's a regular jar, glass jar. When you draw this, you're going to want to include that ellipse shape at the top. And if you want to make the jar look clear, you're going to draw another ellipse shape at the bottom. This might sound confusing, but I'm going to show you in just a second. You see this glass? All glasses or vases or fish bowls or anything like that, they all have an ellipse, which is a long oval. Sometimes you can even make it a little bit pointed at the sides. Okay, so let me show you. So what I'd like for you to do is see if you can draw a simple vase of flowers, or maybe like a jar of flowers or a glass of flowers. Since May flowers are almost here. Let's see. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to start drawing your ellipse on top and then one at the bottom. If you feel like this might be a little bit tricky for you, just take a scrap piece of paper and just get your hand used to drawing it. It's always good to practice, practice, practice. So I'm going to practice on this sheet of paper. No, okay, I feel ready. Now I'm going to put that aside. You can use a pencil. I'm just using this to show you. So I'm going to start right around here. I'm going to draw an ellipse shape. And then I'm going to draw two vertical lines coming down. And I think I want my jar to be curved at the top like this. So I'm going to come down like this. It's going to be slightly curved. Come out a little bit. It's going to take you some practice, that's okay. And I'm going to have two vertical lines coming down to about the same length. Then this is very important. You're not going to want to draw a horizontal line straight across because that's not going to look realistic. You're going to want it to mirror this slightly curved line up here. So you're going to start on one side and look at this. See how it's slightly curved? And now this jar is starting to look 3D and more realistic. And now since I'm drawing that other line, now it looks almost see-through. I'm gonna draw some of those lines for the top of my jar. All right, and now I'm gonna add my flowers. Now you can do this with colors, or you can just do it with your crayon. I'm gonna do it like this, just to do this quickly. You can add your flowers, whatever kind of flowers you like. Maybe some leaves. Oh, but these flowers need water, right? So you're going to add water by adding another ellipse, just like how you did in your fish bowl. All right, let me see. All right, I'm going to add a little bit of water. And there you have it. Good luck.